Hello, everybody. Shauna Carpellis here with CA Bar Style. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season. I am here to announce CA Bar Style's brand new subscription program. This program has been in the works for the last over 4 years. As CA Bar Style grew, there was a high demand for lower cost preparation help for the essay and performance test portions of the exam. I have racked my brain and spent countless and endless hours on how to bring my approaches, my performance test approach and essay approaches, my materials, flashcards, and outlines to the masses at a lower cost. I have spent over 4 years developing this subscription, and I hope that you all love it as much as I do. The subscription can be found at cabaressayapproach.com. That's cabaressayapproach.com. There will be 4 access periods per year: an early access subscription for both the February and July bars, and then a 3-month subscription for both the February and July bars for the 3 months before each exam. Every access period will include, the same materials. And I will be adding so much more in the upcoming months and years. I am so excited for this new chapter of CA Bar Style. Let's go over what the subscriptions have and the value that you are getting in these access periods. So right now you get access to over 50 essay approaches. These are the bread and butter of CA Bar Style. Hundreds and hundreds of applicants have passed the essay portion with flying colors based on these approaches, walking you through how to write for every possible way that gets tested. Over 22 to 23 years of patterns or more on California bar exam essays. So you get access to my approach lectures. You get access to my approach materials. You get access to every single outline of the subjects that are tested on the California bar exam. If you know anything about my outlines, they are succinct, they are to the point, they will not overwhelm you, but they are what you need to know. You will get access to my memorization shorter attack outlines for every single subject. You will get access to my memorization flashcards for every single subject. You will get access to the performance test workshop, how to approach a performance test in 90 minutes, plus performance test prompts and sample answers from CA Bar Style. You will also get sample essays and sample CA Bar Style models for every single subject. I plan to add over 20 approaches this year. There's a lot cooking at CA Bar Style, and the subscription is where we are beginning. You will also get access to other perks that I have thrown in. My issue recognition outline, which is a humongous chart which outlines every single time a certain subject was tested in the last 20 plus years and the issues that came up within that subject. I'm going to be adding more lectures and more coaching tools as time goes on. You will also have a sample schedule with your access. And I think that this is crucial because so many sites out there, and there is no site like mine, but so many sites out there just put forward materials, but they give you no structure. This schedule is going to provide that structure for you, and the schedule will flow in line with the access period. So if it's a 3-month access period, you will have a 3-month schedule. If it's a 4-month or plus, you will have a 4-month plus schedule. So what's going on right now? February 23, like I said, is open. It is open for enrollment. And if you are studying for the February exam and finding yourself in an independent study or finding yourself in a commercial review that does not focus on approach, or you're feeling overwhelmed, you should definitely go in and get this subscription. If you're about to study for July, perhaps you're in your last year of law school, or you may even be a repeater of the exam or a foreign attorney applicant or an attorney applicant, get started on knowing my approaches. So many students throughout the years that I have never even met have said, Shauna, I passed because of your approaches. These are fundamental to passing the essay and performance test portion of the exam. Inevitably, I may add some MBE help as well, but right now this site will be focusing solely on the written component of the exam. So that's cabaressayapproach.com. I hope you like it. Go navigate it. Be well, and let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.